Okay, let me show you a little bean recipe I do on my detox. I take 1 cup of black-eyed peas, which are legumes. Then I take half an avocado, add some minced parsley. We drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here. Add in some balsamic vinegar. Sprinkle it with Himalayan salt and some black pepper. And then we dig in legumes. So I was looking at some literature from Dr. Deanne Minich on fiber consumption and what kind. And like I said, beans are the highest source of soluble fiber on the planet. So she says here, as I briefly mentioned, a key role of fiber is to aid in the elimination of toxins. It does this in a few different ways. One way is simply by binding to bile to remove them from the body. Fat-soluble toxins are more likely to be eliminated this way since they will be bound up in bile. Fiber also aids in the elimination of heavy metals through directly binding to them and moving them through the system and out of the body. Other toxins may also bind directly to fiber rather than bile for elimination. Remember, beans being the highest source of soluble fiber, it says here, soluble fiber and heavy metals. A secondary analysis of the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, looking at adults over the age of 18 years who consumed at least 8 servings of seafood per month, found an inverse relationship between dietary fiber intake and serum, cadmium, and lead. In fact, for every 1 gram increase in dietary fiber, there was a 0.65% reduction in cadmium levels and a 0.55% reduction in lead levels. That's amazing because when you eat seafood, sometimes you can take in heavy metals. This study is showing that eating fiber gets those heavy metals right out of your system. Soluble fiber for the win from the beans. I am continuing to notice the detox on day 6 here, and it's great. Let me know how yours is going, or if you're gonna do one.